Welcome back. In this video, we'll learn about ProgressBar. A ProgressBar in Android Studio is a visual indicator that represents the progress of an ongoing task or an operation. It's used to give users feedback about the status of a task, such as downloading a file, uploading data, or performing a computation. Let's take an example on how to create and use ProgressBars in Android. Start by ProgressBar or match parent, wrap content. You can see it's a circular ProgressBar. I'll give it an ID. I'll infer the constraints. And now you can customize the layout attributes according to your app's design and requirements. There are two different types of ProgressBars, the circular and the horizontal. You can go to the attributes, select the ProgressBar and scroll down to the style. Here you customize the style, if it is a circular or a horizontal. You can see it becomes a horizontal ProgressBar. Also, you can see that I added the style attribute using the ProgressBar.horizontal. Also, if I remove this horizontal, it becomes a circle. To test this ProgressBar, I'll add a button. And I'll drag it to here, infer the constraints, and this is good. Let's move to the main activity and initialize the widgets. Clean the project if there is any error. Now I'll add the functionality to the button in order to update the progress for the ProgressBar. So ptn.set on click listener, new click listener, and on click, I need to update the progress shown by the ProgressBar. So you use setProgress method. For example, if you have a task that reports its progress as a percentage from 0 to 100, you can update the ProgressBar by using setProgress, using the integer int progress, and I'll start by 0. I'll use this variable to update it. Progress equal progress plus 10%. Every time the user press the button, I need to update the progress by 10. And I'll move this int outside the onCreate and make it global. And this progress will increase 10% every time the button is clicked. Then I'll use ProgressBar to set this progress. So set progress method, and I'll pass this progress integer. So I increased the progress and I'll set the progress to this number. Let's run our application. And here we go. This is our ProgressBar and this is our button. Click me. You can see 10%, 20, 30, and so on. So the ProgressBar widget visually conveys the idea that something is happening and provides an estimate of the completion status.